You know, when you sometimes do some self-improvement habits and you ask yourself, is this actually even helping me? Because I've been doing it for a week and I don't see no progress yet. Or maybe is it because you don't see a tiny bit of progress? Now let me show you something. You see this card? Oh, no, just the first one. See this card? This line is time and this one is growth. Life progress. You start here and you're going over here. That's week 1. Oh wait, that might be month 1. And then you come here. You see your progress is going a bit up. Month 2, month 3, month 4, month 5, month 6. The spiral goes up. And you know why is that? Because nothing comes overnight. And why is that? Because there are some small habits that have a benefit on you. But you don't find it that fast that it has the benefit on you. But once you do, you're gonna love it. For example, sunlight. You don't think it has a lot of benefit. You don't think when you think about it. It probably doesn't have a lot of benefit. Why do you think that? Because it doesn't have an overnight or maybe 2-week benefit. But if you do it for like a bit more time, for maybe a month or more, well, guess what? You're gonna start seeing the benefits. And you might not feel it because, you know, it comes very slowly and slowly. It's adding on in your life. But when you're like today and in 6 months, look back to the day today. And you're gonna ask yourself, what changed on me? What did this habit change on me? And you're gonna realize it's a lot of things change on you. Your overall mood is better, everything will be better. And small habits have a great impact. So what I'm trying to say is, the small habits have a great impact on your life over time. Over time they compound in upward spiral. So the small good habits you do and you think they have no effect in your life, sometimes they're gonna have a great impact. But this is not just with the good habits, it's this exactly same with bad habits. If you do just one small bad habit every fucking day for months, you're gonna probably get addicted to it, but the spiral is gonna go down, you're gonna get fucking worse. So don't do the bad habits, even if they're really small and you think they have no impact, don't do them. Because they're gonna have an impact, dumbass. Don't be fucking stupid. They're gonna have an impact on your life. Are you too blind or too stupid to see it? Like, quite literally, why don't you see her? Do you wanna fucking ruin your life? Literally, what you're saying right now, yes, I will fucking ruin my life, I don't give a fuck, YOLO, let's die. I mean, if you say YOLO, let's die, it's the same as you just kill yourself. No one's gonna remember you either way. You're just gonna enjoy this time. What are you enjoying the time for? What? To die? So you're enjoying all this time just to die in the end. Does this make sense? Because it doesn't make it for me. Don't you want to achieve something in your life? Oh, but it's the same. Well, alright. Alright, mate. So you're saying it's the same if I enjoy my life, or if I do something great and achieve something great and provide my family and provide for the future generations and make future generations happier, healthier, better living and honored and remembered. Or would I rather just be drinking alcohol, vaping, smoking, blah blah blah, wasting my time and then die at 36? What the fuck do you think it's better, huh? If you pick the second option, which ends up dying at 36 of a throat cancer or something stupid like that, because I'm sorry for saying that, it's fucking stupid, I know, but like, don't you ever think about it? It's not worth it. You're not gaining anything to any fucking one. You're just being a human to die. You're living just to die. You're not living to achieve anything. You're not living to bring anything for the future generations. You are living without a purpose. And if you're a man living without a purpose, guess what? You're not a man. You don't deserve to be a man. Because you're not one. Because you're acting like a fucking degenerate dumb fuck. Unless you're doing something for yourself. If you're trying to improve, good luck. I'm on your side. But like you're watching this video, you're probably trying to improve if you're watching this video, right? But if you're not trying to improve, but then is the bloody time you start. Good luck. If you need anything, I'm here, mate. Stay hard. Never give up.